If you've ever watched a movie or listened to a lecture on your computer, only to find that the audio and video just aren't lining up, you know how distracting and frustrating that can be. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to sync audio in VLC Media Player, two simple, reliable methods that'll get everything sounding and looking just right. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly adjust audio sync issues and enjoy your content distraction-free, whether it's just a tiny slip or a significant lag. Let's get right into it. First, I'll show you the real-time method using keyboard shortcuts. This is perfect if you want to adjust the sync as you watch, so you can instantly see the effect. Start by opening your video in VLC, just double-click your file or use File Open if you prefer. Now, here's the magic. While the video is playing, press the J key to make the audio play earlier. So if you notice people's lips are moving before their voices, try tapping J and listen closely to how the audio shifts. On the other hand, if the audio is playing before the action on screen, press K to slow it down, syncing the sound with what's happening visually. Every time you press one of these keys, VLC nudges the audio by 50 milliseconds. That's just a tiny fraction of a second, but trust me, those small steps make a big difference. You might need several presses to get things perfect. Take your time and watch for that moment when the dialogue matches the lip movements or the action lines up with the sound. And don't worry if it takes a bit to get right. Sometimes you'll have to alternate between J and K a few times until everything feels natural. Pro tip, try pausing and resuming the video after your adjustments, just to make sure the sync holds throughout. Now let's talk about the second method, which gives you a bit more precision and control, especially handy if you know the exact amount of delay to apply. After you've opened your video in VLC, look up to the top menu bar and click on Tools, then choose Track Synchronization from the dropdown. A new window will pop up and you'll see a field labeled Audio Track Synchronization. Here you can type in the number of seconds you need to adjust the audio. Use a positive number if the audio is ahead of the video, so it'll be delayed, or a negative number if the audio is lagging behind, so it will start sooner. For example, if you notice the audio is consistently half a second early, just enter 0.5. If it's behind by a second, enter -1. You may need a little trial and error, so don't be afraid to test a few numbers. Click Close to apply your changes, and VLC will handle the rest. Check a few spots in your video to make sure the sync is right. Sometimes different parts can behave differently, but this window adjustment covers the whole video until you reset it. Remember, audio sync issues can pop up for all kinds of reasons. Maybe the original recording was a bit off, or your computer had to buffer extra long on a big file. Whatever the cause, VLC's built-in tools make it quick and painless to fix. So next time you're watching a clip and thinking, wait, wasn't that supposed to happen already? Now you know exactly what to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or need help with a tricky sync issue, drop a comment below. I read them all and I'm happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.